Hello, this is Westgate Property Management and I am outside of 240 Park Place Drive in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the Park Place complex. It is a really nice, well-maintained complex in East Petaluma. There's a pool and a club that the tenant can use. There's a lot of really nice features about these units. And one of the things I love best is that a lot of them have 2 patios. And where this one is located is extra special because it has an east-west orientation. So you get afternoon sun from this patio, and then through the kitchen, you have another patio, a little eat-in area, new appliances and a gas range. But this patio faces east, so it gets morning sun, which is just lovely. So you have 2 options to have a really good patio in the morning and the afternoon. This is additional storage, quite large. I'll stop here so you can see the kitchen. Really sweet. A nice gas slide-in range. So in the hallway, this is the first bedroom. This faces the east side. And tub and shower combination. Down the hall there is washer and dryer. And this bedroom. And it has a nice sized closet. So this is 240 Park Place Drive in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.